Those we discussed yesterday. So today we'll see remaining two version features. So like Android 11 and 12 features. So Android 11 and 12 also we have around 10 features for each. So those we will see here. Means these are also like already I told yesterday. Like these all our features are introduced in already some of the devices because they are customized this Android OS according to their features and all. So the same as implemented in this versions also. Like see here Android 11 has around 11 features which are so first one is media controls. So media controls in sense like it is audio video controls. So just we have this quick setting section. So in a quick setting section, we can have this all this like where we get the notification partner. There we can able to see those all one by one. What are the quick settings media controls? There we can able to see those here in this. So this is like here we can able to see this, and the next one is the conversation bubbles. So conversation bubbles means here like right now I received a few notifications, like for example one notification from the Play Store, one notification from the WhatsApp, one notification from the other app. So those here we can able to see this separation of this, like here the separation of this, it says that okay, this is from different application, this is different application, like this we can able to see the separation, as well as here we can reply, or you can reply from here. If you want to go with basic messages, you can reply from here, else you can read as say as a mark as read, or you can, if you want to reply with a custom message, just click on the pop-up will open instead of opening the complete application. From there you can reply for this. And after this, one more feature, screen recorder. So as of now, some of the manufacturers are giving the screen recorder option, and some of the manufacturers it's not giving, so that team has installing the specific screen recorder applications, then they are doing the recording. But here directly they are giving this here itself in quick settings itself, the screen recorder. Either you can take the photo, video, everything, like entire screen like this. Screen record option as giving this. Automatically we can record with voice or with only this video, like that. It is options are giving that we can do this. And power button menu. So previously, when you want to restart your phone, just you need to power down and power and volume down button. We need to click for the 10 seconds. So just hold for the 10 seconds. Then it is saying that restart and power off, like that. But right now, just pressing the power off button, there is some options. It is coming like this: power off, restart, emergency. Like these buttons are coming. So from there, automatically we can do some activity from there. Like this, it is coming in a different phones, different styles. It's a one phone like this style, another phone like this style, different styles it is coming. So that we can able to easily we can do this. And the next is here emojis. So emojis also here, a lot of emojis, lot of these things are we can do this. Like here these normally when we are chatting and all, we use these all emojis. So those all are lot of are introducing from the means previously when any chatting application they want to give means they have to customize their means they have to put this in their coding itself. But right now Android itself it can support automatically. Users can use that. And the next is the temporary permissions. So this is also this permissions already we seen in Android 6.0 only. When we are using an Android 6.0, like it is asking that allow camera permission, allow video permission, allow audio permission, like that it is asking that. But here from this version onwards, it can say that means you want to install one application that is a new application. I don't know that can be proper means that can be secure application or not, I don't know. And then that time while testing first time purpose, I'll give only one time, only this time. So permissions I'm giving only one time, then second time I'm using that, again it will ask the permission. If you give while using an app, it should be the permanent. If you give this one, it should be only one time. Like that also we can use that. Means if until we know that application is secure, then we can use that feature. And wireless auto connect. So this is also like we already seen that in Android 10 9.0 itself. Like it can connect automatically Wi-Fi, USB, like that. It is saying that when the open network will come, it says that open network is available. Such kind of alerts, it is just updated for the previous version feature. And the notification history. Even this notification history also we already seen in the previous, like how many messages are, how many notifications are received from the specific app, like that it is saying this. So, and apart from this, here extra they added like what are the conversations. By clicking this, here itself we can see the conversations, like multiple, like see here YouTube, looking for the incomplete downloads, refreshing that, like this. We can able to see the, in a notification panel itself, we can able to see the recent messages like this. And the next is this better curved display support. Means previously, like nowadays, some of the phones, some manufacturers phones has is a curved shape. So in the curved shape, some of the applications is not supporting properly. So right now, even this curved shape or normal phone also, it can support automatically with this. Means as a developer side, we don't need to put any extra efforts to that. Automatically, our application can suit on this. And the next is the pin apps to share. Like by clicking the pin app, like we can able to share that application to other people. Like directly we can share that application to other people by clicking on that. Automatically it says that we can share this. So next here is schedule dark mode. Like previously there is a dark mode and light mode. It is from 8.0 onwards. But in this version, we can schedule, like I need a dark mode from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Like that you can schedule. So that according to that schedule, automatically the phone will go to the specific mode. Automatically it goes to the specific mode. So these are the features in Android 11. So we'll see this also Android 12 features also we'll see, so that our basic feature concepts will close, then we'll enter into the next topic. So in Android 12, this is the latest version. In this latest version also, whatever the almost same, some of the features are updated from older versions and some of them has introduced new. So here also it's 112 features. So we'll see here. First is the material design. Like material design is nothing but here that maybe that word you are not aware of that, but material design is nothing but material design is the concept by Google. So where we can use the attractive UIs using without more efforts. Like means if I want to design more attractive UI, just I can use the Google material library. So that with 1 or 2 lines of code, easily I can get the customized UI. Like see here examples like this kind of UIs, easily we can get this with customizable with Google libraries. Because material is provided by the Google, that we can easily get this. Next is the color extraction. Like what is a color extraction? Is nothing but it's a color extraction. Basically, OS extract the color from the wall themes and other themes, so that we can get the more attractive wallpapers and all we can design easily with this. Means color contrast and etc. We can easily we can manage with this. That is auto adjustment of brightness. Just we seen in 11.0 like schedule dark mode. So that schedule dark mode kind of things, when it is any colors combinations that can be automatically it's adjustable, that color extraction can be auto set up this. And the next is the widget emphasis. Widget emphasis is nothing but it's a just a larger, like see these all of the widgets are smaller. When you want any specific widget, that you can set as the like bigger size. When you are using regularly, like some kind of that you want to see in a big size, that we can adjust here this. Next is the quick setting titles. So as of now, just quick settings is there with only this symbol, but right now it is coming along with that this titles. So that if someone knows, someone remember that the icon is good for this, it will be okay. But if you are not aware of the icon, this can be helped now with along with the name it is coming this. And next is the settings. So in settings, there are settings like redesign of these settings, like minor changes as done in this. So that is basically this can be depends on the manufacturer also. Manufacturers are giving this different settings. But here in this there are main features are introduced like home and required when we are developing the application. Normally when we are developing the application, we can connect through cable to our phone and we can do that. I mean, so directly we can install that kind of extra features as introduced in this here. And notification and other changes. So this notification changes already we are seeing that in 11.0 there is a like just now we see that image. If you want to see the recent activity, just you can swipe up, swipe down, there you can see that auto reply like that. So those all are also just it's a older version just updated here. Those only features are updated here. This. And apart from this new features, so this new features is nothing but it's oh no, that's and the scrolling screenshot. So screenshots, we can see that scrolling screenshot when we are scrolling up, it means normally page scroll. If I have this page scroll, there we cannot get the exactly screenshot, but here we can see that we can take the entire scrolling, including the scrolling also. It means when I open this page, it has a some content is outside of that. If you can see that completely, you can take the one screenshot it is. And the next is the app search. So by searching the app search, like I want it means in my phone I install 20 applications or 30 applications, but I don't know that specific means where it is exactly in this. Just by searching this, you can open that application here. Next is the improved auto rotate. Like horizontal to portrait, portrait to horizontal auto rotation feature has improved here. This means previously it is what it was there, but just it is the improvisations has happened on this. And this is also easier Wi-Fi connection. Previously this is also there. Just it is also just customized. Just by scanning that you can share your Wi-Fi. Just it is a customized this. And the next is the one-handed mode. One-handed mode is nothing but here just using this one-handed mode. Normally what happens, just we can able to see the settings, go to settings and some gesture effects and other size like multi-window. Like this feature also we see in 8.0 means at a time multitasking. We can do the multitasking like off screen this, off screen that. So here like this, we can split the screen. You can do this other activities here, some activity here, some activity here, like that. You can do the multitasking in a single screen. That is also just, it is also improvisation from the 8.0. And the next is the rich content insertion. So rich content insertion means like here while typing messages and all, we can do the bold, italic, etc. like videos, audios and more. We can do this easily with images, emojis, and those kind of messages and we can do easily here. Next is the audio selection in the media player. So when we are playing videos and all, where we can see this, just it is also improvisation from the previous version only, because we audio setting updates is happened in 9.0. From that it is updated where we can show the audio source like phone speaker, Bluetooth, or some other speakers like that. We can able to Bluetooth, any other Bluetooth speakers are connected or it connected with the cable like that. We can have this options to select this. Next is the overview suggestions. Like sorry, one more point here I want to see here. when you connect here in our this here, it says that this feature, like here it is saying the system audio like this. So like this default, it can have this speaker phone or Bluetooth phone like that. It can be separation here we can create. And the next is the overview suggestions. Overview suggestions is nothing but here just if you can copy and paste, when we are copy some message, automatically it will normally this we are seeing now in when we are entering the OTP kind of things in a banking kind of applications. There we can see like we can see this how it can be like while typing itself. It when I want to paste, I want to write something on the top of keyboard, it is displaying this message like that. When click on that, automatically this will be typed on the message. So such kind of feature has introduced here means it is just saving time to the user. And other minor additions like in the gesture effects, emojis, and a quick tap function. So those all are introduced in this. And some of the gaming related, this is like when we connect, this is not for the mobile, it is for the TVs and all. So when we have this any games and all, it can be support for the games and also. And video, this is haptic video coupled with means this already we discussed about just how we can manage the audios with the different sources, that it is this. And app hyperization, so there is improve the free space. Like hyperization is nothing but normally when we are using the app, for every that normally what happens, the static data means cache data is created for the every application. So to improvisation of this your application performance or your phone performance, every time you should clear that. Normally you should clear the cache data, then it should be. But here when it is feel that it is a cache data, this automatically cleaned up when you enable this feature, that automatically creates that, so that it can be your application performance could be increased. Next is the game mode. So in a game mode, if you enable in a game mode on your phone, it says that it can be performance easier and instant. We can get the performance, and battery consumption should be less. Looks that kind of features as introduced in this game dashboard and everything. It should be the 3D effects and all. It's created this. This is also same like gaming performance and smaller changes here. What is the smaller change? Okay, this is already we seen that media transcoding with HV. This means it can be automatically, it can support for the previously already it is supporting the various media support, but here also it support the more and more video supports and images. So AVIF images means it's a PNG, JPG, and with the good same quality. Means if I'm sending in a WhatsApp now, that image quality will reduce. So but if you want to say without reduce, if you want to do that, means what we will do normally, that we will what we will do is we will extract and we'll save that. So when we extract and all, it is not extract in the sense zip. When we'll do the zip and we'll send that time it's not reduced. But right now from this, without that also you can send without any image clarity disturbance, it should come this. And the multi audio chart, this already we seen in the Sabo audio mixers and all, that we can able to do that. And the next is the optimization for the large and funky screens. Like it's like there are different kinds of devices are in the market, like TVs, watch. Some of the phones can be foldable, like so it can be support every resolution that is introduced in this. And universal splash screens. So just now we see in the material design. So based on the material designs, we can easily do this splash screens with easy customizations. That we can do this. And optimizations for the app. So app optimizations include Google blocking background from the launching foreground services. Like if you want to restrict some applications, we can restrict that applications also in this. And picture in picture mode, this is also introduced in a 7.0. That improvisations is happened, that here controls and everything is happened in this. And project mainline improvements, like Google announced that that it is not yet released, but maybe it's released in the next version. This is related to Google Play Store. So there is a Play Store. It make the project means when we are this is very helpful for the developers. Easily they can do that. They can maintain the backup files and all in the Play Store itself. So that feature will come soon. So that is not yet came here. And apart from that, other security and privacy improvements is happened, like recent apps and how it with little tricks, like how it is which one is using that, which one has using more battery, more data, everything it shows here clearly. This and privacy dashboard. So this privacy dashboard here, it can says that pie chart with permissions whatever we given, like for this camera application we given this permission, for Google Maps we given this permission, for other WhatsApp we given like this permission. It can says that one dashboard kind of thing, that it says that this, and microphone and camera indicators. So on the top of the screen that you are seeing this, like on the signal itself, it says that microphone, or if it connected camera indicators, everything it once it is opened and everything, it can indicate there itself automatically. And approximate location. So like we need this location feature says already, this is also previously it was there, but just improvisations has happened. So the more attractive, means more appropriate location, it reduces the number of apps to the Google. Like it can be approximated, says that it's this is the specific location and this. And the smaller other security updates here, like restricted net link in back, like it will be the when we are MAC address, and these all are the restrictions, because if you want to give the permission, then only some of the apps can get this your address and all. Without your permission, it cannot get this. And Bluetooth permissions also. Apps also now we can use the Bluetooth without need of that location permissions. And the device sensor, like we are giving the sensor permissions. Device sensor means camera, motion sensor, etc. Those also without permission we cannot give that. And also Android core. This is the core features of Android. It can work on this live location and etc. These features also introduced in this. So these all are the features which are introduced in the Android 12. So this is Android 12 only is the latest version. This, so this with this we almost we covered all features with this Android versions. So you have any questions on this what we discussed in Android features as of now?
Share, I didn't get it.
Okay, so this so with this it's almost done. So have you downloaded that? Yesterday I sent one Android Studio link. Have you downloaded that?
I'll download.
Okay, this one just I'll show you the process here so that we can install on your system. So yesterday I forwarded this URL. Your system Windows only, right?
Yes.
Okay. So then just open this link.
Studio.
Yeah, Android Studio. Just this almost it's a 1 GB file. Just you can download and keep it there so that in our next class we can install that. So this you can download here. Once click on this download, just it is asking that accept this and download this. This is the patch file. Okay. Download option. Better you can go here and you can download here this one. Okay, Android 9.12 this one. Recommended this. Yours Android. What is the OS in your system?
Windows.
Okay, then it is fine. Just you can download this file and you can keep it with you. Just we can start the installation process in tomorrow's class, so that we can continuously we can start from there. So as of now, we're done with the features. But apart from this, there I want to discuss a few more things. Like so, this is exactly not specifically into the Android, but anything as a developer, you want to know something like as a developer, if I want to develop an application, example, if we are in Android, right? So that I can take the example one app. So if I'm developing one app, normally what are the expectations from the user side? What users will expect? As a user, just you can think as a user now. Means when you are developing the application, don't think as a developer or that app owner like that. Always you can think as a customer. So why you can think as a customer? Because our application should be used by the customer. So first of all, they can understand. They can understand your application flow and all, then only that can be built. So means for that, here we need to follow some rules. Rules to build one application. Here there are some specifications are there. I'm developing some application for the specific customer. Like means a company is there. That application I'm installing for the company employees. So in that case, if that application options are somewhere else, means application options are not that much of easy also, they can use, but because they must ensure that they need to use that application, and someone will guide them to use this application like this, like this, like this. If you want this application, just go there, and like that they can, someone will guide on the company. But when you want to release application in the Play Store, like say, for example, you can take the WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp, Facebook. So this WhatsApp and Facebook applications, how we can understand? Means no one is guiding you, but without guidance, just we are understanding that the features, right? Because it's a simply very user-friendly applications. User-friendly and easy navigations. So these all are the, we need to follow this. When we are building an application, we need to keep this mind, user-friendly, easy navigation, then attractive UI. Already this point we discussed. When your application has 100 functionalities, UI is not attractive, then users cannot show the interest on your application. If you have only 4 or 5 features, if you have the attractive UI, then the customers will attract to your application. Then less memory, means it should occupy the less memory on your phone, and speed, application speed should be good. Means if I'm clicking this, after 10 seconds, after 15 seconds, the application will respond, then users cannot show interest on this. Correct. So this, because of this, when you are building an application, mainly you need to concentrate on these 5 points. Application must and should be user friendly, easy navigation on application, and attractive UI, and a less, it should occupy the less memory and the speed. One more major thing is the security. See, if all, this is the one part of application, this is the second part. Means, yeah, if I am following all this, but I am not following the security reasons, then users cannot install your application. Why? Because it's, for example, simple application. I have just like simple application, budget tracker. So simple, I'll take one example as a budget tracker. This I want to build a budget tracker means today I expended 10 rupees for tea, 20 rupees for tiffin, 30 rupees for this, like that. When I'm spending, I'm updating in the app. Also, when I received 200 rupees from someone, 10,000 salary, 30,000 salary, like that, I'm adding their income as well as the expense. Both I'm adding there. So for this, I don't need any permissions. Okay, I don't need camera permission. I don't need contacts permission. I don't need other permissions like that. But if I ask that while you install my application, then immediately I ask that allow contacts permission, allow camera permission, allow that other permission. There is meaningless it is. So why? Because see, if I ask your contacts permission, normally what happens? If you give the contacts permission, I can able to access all your contacts. Means even I can take the all contacts numbers from your phone also. So if you won't follow such kind of these things, if your application is a social media application, then you need contacts permission. But this kind of applications does not need. So must and should you follow the specific rules to specific application related, like. So then only your application can hit, it's a successful in the market. Without those, if you go like this, you cannot survive in the market. Means you have good applications also, you cannot survive in the market. So because of that, you need to follow all these rules and regulations. Simple example, I'll explain with another app. I think you know the Truecaller app, right?
Yeah, yes.
So how these names are coming? By this name, everyone are thinking that it's a Truecaller. Really, what we given when we're taking the SIM card and all, what we are giving in the document proof, that name is coming. Lot of people are thinking like that. Means at least 20 to 30% of people are thinking like that. But it is not like that. Why? Because see, when we install the Truecaller, it is asking the permissions, contact permission. When I give the contact permission, so it is taking all permissions, all contacts from my phone. So let us say I saved your number as ABC. Okay, I saved your number as ABC. As of now, you're not yet registered in a Truecaller. It means your number is not yet registered in a Truecaller. Then until you verifies through your OTP in a Truecaller, it will come as a ABC only. Like because of that, a lot of numbers we are seeing in with different various names. So that is the reason. Normally, when we are building an application, you need to have this security permissions. Previously, in a Play Store also, it is accepting that any application with giving the different permissions and all, also it is accepting. But nowadays, when I want to upload one application in a Play Store, it is asking that what are the security permissions you followed. Like I said, that contacts permission. Then you need to give the justification there why you need contacts. If I have the camera permission, then you need to give the justification why you are giving the this permission. I'm accessing the photos, files, why? Like that, for each and every permission, you should add the reason in a Play Store. Then only your application is coming into this. Means Play Store itself, it is because of the gamblings are happening, this all because of that they introduce the more security standards. So must and should you follow this. So simply, when you are developing an application, you need to keep these 6 points in your brain. That should be user friendly and easy navigation and attractive UI, less memory, speed. Finally, it should be the secure. So this, if you follow this, then your application should more popular in this. So, okay, this with this today I'm closing this. So tomorrow, just you can ready with your system. So first we'll start installation part on your system. From there, we'll go with the next steps.
I installed it just now. There is a license agreement. There is an option to accept. I clicked on that accept. Finish button is not highlighting.
I think that will take time. It will take time. It is I think it is in a progress, right? In progress.
Okay. Can I share the screen?
Yes, yes, you can.
Here.
Yeah, accept the paid license. Okay. Next is also not enabled, right?
Yes.
Okay. I think in your system, Java is not there, right? Java is there.
Yes, I think it is there. Oh, Java installed only it will be.
Yeah, first we need to install the Java, then it should be. Don't think Java, it is there. Okay, then no problem. After some time, I have any desk, right? After some time, I'll connect in any desk. We'll see this. Okay, so that we can close that. Then we can start the program from tomorrow.
Okay.
No. Okay, thank you.